Installation is done in minutes, but must be performed by a licensed and certified AC technician. First, remove no-vent locking refrigerant caps. If you are servicing a heat pump system, make sure it is running in the AC mode. Systems must be running while injecting AC leak freeze into the system. Step 1. Connect AC Leak Freeze Pro Injector's female outlet fitting to the low pressure service port. Step 2. First, make sure both valves on the manifold gauge set are closed. Second, connect the red high pressure hose of the manifold to the high pressure service port. Third, barely thread the yellow middle manifold hose to the male fitting of the AC Leak Freeze Pro Injector. Do not thread to the point of depressing the Schrader core. It is recommended, but not required, that a low-loss valve is used. Finally, briefly crack open the manifold high side valve to purge air out of hoses. Close the manifold high side valve and then quickly tighten the yellow hose fitting to the inlet fitting of the injector. Step 3. Briefly open, then close the manifold high side valve to allow refrigerant to flow through the AC Leak Freeze Pro Injector. Check the clear injector hose to ensure the AC leak freeze product is gone. If necessary, repeat this step until no product is visible in the semi-clear tube. Step 4. Make sure the manifold high side valve is closed. Wait 1 minute for the yellow hose and the AC Leak Freeze Pro Injector to equalize to suction pressure. Disconnect the yellow hose from the AC Leak Freeze Pro Injector. Then, disconnect the AC Leak Freeze Pro Injector from the suction service port. Discard or recycle the empty injector. And lastly, run the air conditioner for 30 to 40 minutes to allow the product to fully circulate. Remember, AC Leak Freeze Pro is for professional use only. To find a licensed AC technician near you, or to find out more information about AC Leak Freeze Pro, contact us today by visiting our website